Hi guys, this is SiggyQG35 Security. Today I will show you how to install games on Batocera 2025 Emulator Games Guide. Explain. To install games on Batocera 2025 emulator games like PS3 xemu. With tools and BIOS update files ROMs, other games will easy to copy and paste. Without required tools, you should follow step by step. To do that you should follow my instruction. First go to rpcs3.net to check compatibility. PS3 games for PS3 emulator. Most the games for PS3 it's different level playable. For example, green playable, 69.75%. Game can complete playable. Yellow in game, 27.34%. Game that ether can't finish because glitches. Orange intro, 2.85%. Game that display image don't show menu. Red loadable, 0.06%. Game that display black screen. Black nothing, 0%. Game that don't loading or crash. For running the game's PS3. Click I understand. Go to search then type Plants vs Zombies, click enter. As you can see it's playable for PS3. Next website xemu.app. For checking compatibility. Xbox games for xemu emulator. For example, Halo Combat Evolved playable for xemu. Click Halo Combat Evolved. No issues, is simple and some glitch but not that much. You can read and check on it what kind of issues with different games. Xbox with descriptions. Let's download pack full BIOS Batocera V41 for BIOS update ROM. To download BIOS package, click zip. Click start download. It will be take 25 or 30 minutes to complete the download BIOS package. Now let's download the games. Next website emulatorgames.net. Go to search and type Halo Combat Evolved, then enter. Click Halo Combat Evolved. Click Save Game. It will be start download after 8 seconds. Click Start Download. Next website vmm.net. Click the vault. Go down, then click PlayStation 3. Type on search Plants vs Zombies, then click enter. Click Plants vs Zombies. Click download. Click start download. Now let's extract the PS3 Xbox and use the tool for Xbox files. Right-click Halo Combat Evolved.zip, then click Extract here. To convert the file Halo Combat Evolved to ISO files, you should use Extract-xiso for xemu. Click Code. Click Download to start download Extract-xiso. Unzip the Extract-xiso here. Open Extract Guide. To convert the folder to ISO, you should type this command on cmd to /extract-xiso.exec / name of the folder. Rename Halo Combat Evolved, no space, so you can able to convert the folder to ISO. Go to File. Go to Open CMD Prompt. Click Open CMD Prompt as admin. Copy the command to cmd /extract-xiso.exec / and type the folder games Halo Combat Evolved. Click Enter to start folder to ISO file. After done, convert Halo Combat Evolved folder to ISO file. You can type with space or leave it as you like without space. To convert PS3 file for PS3, extract folder here. For PS3 file type, Plants vs Zombies -USA.ps3. To read the emulator PS3. To run the game on Batocera. Now both of PS3 and Xbox ready for install on Batocera. Unzip the iOS package, extract files, then click OK. Now let's go to Batocera. Click F1 to go to user data. To install Batocera files BIOS. Update in games on user data/share for BIOS. User data/ROMs for games. Follow my steps. Go to Files. Go to BIOS package. Select all BIOS data, right-click, then click Copy. Copy and paste the files. Update BIOS to share user data/share and replace some files. Click Check Apply this option to all existing files. And click Overwrite. It will take 10 or 13 minutes. Copy the files games PS3 Xbox on ROMs user data/ROMs files names PS3 and Xbox. Go to Files. Go to PS3. Copy the game to ROMs. Type PS3, select the file, then paste the game. Paste Plants vs. Zombies -USA.ps3. Go to Files. Go to Xbox. Copy the game to ROMs. Type Xbox, select the file, then paste the game. Paste Halo Combat Evolved.iso. Other games will be easy or different to do. Same process. Copy and paste the files names games like folder extensions NDS, N64, PS2, PSP, etc. Info.txt extensions NDS, Z64, ISO or Q, bin, ISO. Go to Files. Click Close window. For show the games on Batocera list games, you should click space on keyboard to open main menu. Go to Game Settings. Click Update Game Lists. Click Yes to upload update. As you can see all the games how on Batocera list. After done, update game list. Now let's run Plants vs. Zombies. Notice, the update detected by old version 4.90 PS3 update.pup from BIOS update. Firmware RPCS3 emulator game. If you want to continue to replace the version 4.91 for running the game, it will be applied to RPCS3 so you can run the game. If you click no, you will be start the game manually. So you keep the new version 4.91 and running the game on RPCS3. Click Yes to start. Apply the update BIOS 4.90 PS3 update.pup. Run again Plants vs. Zombies. As you can see, Plants vs. Zombies is run successfully on RPCS3 emulator. The game need remote control console game to play the game. Now let's run Halo Combat Evolved. As you can see, Halo Combat Evolved is run successfully on xemu emulator. The game need remote control console game to play the game. Before you run Windows games, you need install Wine 9.152. Share /system/wine/custom. You need to check file game extensions like game name, file.pc or .wine so you can able to run with autorun.cmd. Click F1. Go to Files. Cut Wine 9.152. Share /system and paste the file. These are all Win.9.15 for running Windows games. Go to ROMs. Go to Windows. The game file extensions is missing, you should type last name. File.pc or wine that's required to run with wine Batocera. Type .pc then click OK. Go to Virtua Tennis full.pc. To run wine Batocera Windows game, you should find game.exe. Then create autorun.cmd to run the game on Batocera Direct. Without show lost game.exe file folder Wine Explorer. Right-click. Go to Create New. Click Empty File. Type Autorun then click OK. Open txt file. Now type cmd equals virtuatennis.cmd. Notice, no space words, the game can't run if you type name games. With space, you should type together words. Go to File. Click Save As. Type autorun.cmd then click Save As File. Exit the txt file. Close window. Click space on keyboard to open main menu. Go to Game Settings. Click Update Game Lists. Click Yes to upload update. Go to Windows. Press Hold key Enter on the keyboard. Go to Advanced Game Options. Go to Wine Runner. Here you can change any mod Wine Runner, for example I will choose Win.9.15 and set default for running the Windows games. Select Wine 9.15 Staging TKG AMD 64-bit. Click Back or click ESC. Now let's run Virtua Tennis. Now the Wine.9.15 is run to start Windows game. And extract files for running virtuatennis.exe. Notice, Wine Mono package is. Need to download NetApps 4. Updating run Win.9.15 well for games. You can click for update or skip if you want. Click Cancel. As you can see, Virtua Tennis is run successfully on Wine.9.15 emulator. The game need mouse and keyboard, or remote control console game. Now let's give games full descriptions and then Batocera. Click space on keyboard. Go to Network Settings. Make sure you enable Ethernet cable and Wi-Fi connection. To connect the internet. Exit main menu. Go to Xbox. Press Hold key Enter on the keyboard to show game menu. Go to Scrape. Download image the poster Halo Combat Evolved to apply. To solve problem poster not show or missing poster. Click Input to rename the game name for correction. Rename the game correctly. Click Check Yes to show the poster game. To show full descriptions and informations you need to download new theme Batocera. Click space on keyboard. Go to Updates and Downloads. Go to Themes. Here you can download any theme you like it for. Descriptions, games and details. For example, I will download this theme name, Animativerse. After done download, go to User Interface Settings. Go to Theme Set. Select Animativerse you download. Exit User Interface Settings, it will be apply already the new theme. You can change any best theme you like with descriptions, games, and details. Now you can see all the informations and descriptions, games details from Halo Combat Evolved. Hopefully you enjoy the video with the guide. It's now video. The games is already installed on Batocera, is ready to play any games you want. Don't forget like, subscribe and share with yours friends. Thank you for watching.